And what collection isn't complete without a little Nash Metropolitan? This one, the seats are out of it. Little Rambler. That's an original car. There is some mold action going on in this building. 2 Mercury Cougars. I know it looks like an Eliminator, but it's not. 1940 Chevy Business Coupe. Hope I don't lose you here. This is a 1938 Chevy Coupe. That's a business coupe. There's a nice 55 Crown Vic, 2-door hardtop. Here's a 1954 Ford Skyliner, plexiglass roof. Roof's in good condition. Over here is a 1936 Ford Cabriolet, rumble seat, and it appears to me in original condition, original paint. And the owner has noted that also. We have 2 36s on this sale. The other one is a 2-door sedan. 1930 Model A. Kind of a weird bird little here. This is a Ford Falcon camper. Yeah. The roof pops up there. Kind of interesting. We have an assortment of retractable hardtops. I believe there's 5 of them on this auction. An Etzel convertible. And look what we got here. One of my favorites. This is a 59 Chevy El Camino. Again, just like that one last year at James Graham, this one's actually in better condition. And I can't get the damn hood open on this one either. Somebody slammed it shut, so I'll have to work on that. It is a 3-speed car, but good condition. And a Kaiser, have to have a Kaiser. Back here, this is a 1954 Olds Starfire convertible. Complete car, loaded out, and pretty car, nice car. Kind of a rare car. What's those big tail fins? Oh, another 59 Cadillac convertible. Let's take a look. All right. This is a 1959 Cadillac convertible, Series 62. And this one was used in the movie Inside Moves. Has anybody ever seen that movie? I have not. Kind of sounds like a porno. But they said that it was not. And they bought it off the movie set. And it's black with a white top, black and white interior. It's an original car, in my opinion. And does not run. None of them run in here. But this will be on the auction. And we have another building, and I have a whole bunch of 59 project cars here too, 59 Chevys. But if anybody's seen that movie or knows what it is, let me know. All right. There's another retractable hardtop. 59 flat top Oldsmobile, 4-door hardtop. This is a 58 Cadillac 4-door hardtop. And why not a Corvair Monza convertible? But anyway, this is one building. If you watched the other video, there's about 100 antique tractors here, and there's about 70 collector cars. And this is going to be down by Carlisle, Iowa, outside of Des Moines. Tomorrow, watch, we're going to be looking at Beneventi's cars. Those are those brand new Chevys. And I'm not done doing inventory here, but I am done in this building, and we'll get them out and get better pictures. But this will be on site and online, and it's going to be in September on the 26th and 27th. 27th will be the vehicles Also, the Indian motorcycles. Don't forget that will be on the car day right off the bat, guys. So be here on time. We have 3 Indian motorcycles, 1 Indian 4 and 2 V-twins. And I showed you those this morning. But anyway, we got a whole bunch of auctions coming up. And so make sure to go to the website, vanderbrinkauctions.com, and we will see you at the sales. Again, in Minnesota, we can't do a live auction. So the 2 we have ending May 30th at 7 p.m. and June 7th, the Seifert and Marple collections are online only. And so make sure to look at that catalog, and then I'll be contacting you if you're a winning bidder, and we'll get that figured out. And we got a lot of vintage motorcycles coming up, a lot of antique tractors, a lot of cars, a lot of beautiful cars coming up. Jim Guesswine will be the next auction. That'll be July 18th. And we will be live in Millbank, South Dakota, and also online bidding. Catalog, I'm working on it right now. Don't forget there's 2 Superbirds in there, and a GTX and 23 Imperials. Beautiful cars. We're also got that cute little Shelby GLHS in there. So pretty neat stuff coming up. And we're going to be finishing up the inventory down in Kansas at the Regier collection. And then we'll get that whole catalog up for you. Remember, that's October 24th. In Hutchinson, Kansas, we got 20 32 Fords, 57 Chevy convertibles. I think there's about 15 Corvettes, 140 vehicles total. But this year we got a lot of really good motorcycles, vintage motorcycles, and we'll be showing you those. So go to the website, sign up for that newsletter, or I think you can text 7979 to a certain number, text to 7979, and you can sign up for text messages, text message alerts. The newsletter's free, and that's at Vanderbrink Auctions under Contact Us. And yeah, hopefully we get this COVID crap out of here and we can get back to normal. And but at our auctions, make sure the ones here coming up, if you're coming to preview this Saturday or the next Saturday, social distance, bring your sanitizer, and make sure masks are optional. But it'd be nice if you brought them just in case for our sellers or our families that we're working with. So make sure to go to Sign Up Genius on the website to sign up for a spot like that. Also, one thing I was informed of today, each line on Sign Up Genius is 1 person. You don't write in there, I'm bringing 10 people. That ain't working. So, but anyway, we will try to do what we can here. And if you need any help, give me a call, 605-201-7005, or Yvette at vanderbrinkauctions.com. But I better get back to work here, and it is 5:30. I'm starting to lose my light in here. But I suppose we could walk over to the other building. I don't know if there's always cars stored in here, but it's got a funk in here. It's making it kind of huffy. All right. Let's go in this other building here. This one's a little tight. Kind of can't walk around in it. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I am. All right. A little tight in here. But in the back you can see this 36 Ford 2-door back there. It's almost impossible to walk around in here, actually. But there's that pretty 36 two-door back there. All right. Okay, I'm going to play with the spiders and the bird poop, and we'll see you guys later.